Hello friends, I am WAGURA Samuel Njuguna from the Nyandaro National Polytechnic. I am a trainer in the Building and Civil Engineering Department. I take several courses, but I'm going to take you through technical drawing. Now, technical drawing is a subject that we offer under engineering that entails conceptualization of an idea and putting it down on paper. Here we use instruments, different instruments like pencils, rulers, T-squares, the drawing board, the drawing papers, and the like, so that we can convey any message. What is the rationale or the reason behind us teaching this discipline under engineering? Well, this subject is used to enhance the training with the skills, attitude, and knowledge to use the drawing principles that they have learned in designing, preparing, interpreting, and implementing any drawing that has been made into actualization in the field now, in the site. So we have some objectives to this unit, or rather this subject, where one is that we use drawing as a means of communication. Another objective of this unit is that you end up preparing drawings so that you can convey your message. Another objective of this unit is that you interpret working drawings prepared by other people, like the architect, to implement them in the field. So we are going to tackle the following units under technical drawing. And one, we are going to start with the introduction, of course, where we will show you how to use the different instruments that are used in technical drawing, like the T-square, how to set a paper on the board, and so on, how to use the engineer set, and so on and so forth. We're going to look at the abbreviations used in technical drawing, how you use these words to convey that message, how to write your numbers, how to do your lettering, typing, and so on. We are going to tackle plane geometry as another topic, subtopic, where we can do some construction of scales, construction of triangles, polygons, and so on and so forth. We are going to move from that. Now we escalate to pictorial drawing, where we're going to look at isometric drawing, oblique drawing, which are ways that we can put a 2D drawing to look like a 3D drawing. After doing that, we are going to do orthographic projections as a topic, where you show an object in 3 dimensions, the 3 sides. Here we are going to look at the front, the side, or the end elevation, and the plan, so that when you draw a drawing, you're going to show the 3 sides, and someone will automatically come up with a 3D object out of that 2D representation, 2-dimensional. When I say 2D, it's 2-dimensional. So after that, we're going to do solid geometry. We are still building on whatever we've learned, the little thing that we've learned, and moving on. So solid geometry entails coming up with now solids that are joined together. For instance, two cylinders. How are we going to come up with the surface of that cylinder? Or how are we going to cut the surface of that cylinder so that we can come up with a 3D object, a real 3D object? And lastly, but not least, we are going to look at the building drawing. How you're going to interpret now the building drawings, the plans of the houses, you as an engineer, so that you can actualize the design that has been made by the architect. So I'm welcoming you to this platform. I'm looking forward to learn with you, and we will continue interacting. Thank you.